JG Summit Holdings Incorporated's roots can be traced back as far as 1954, when visionary entrepreneur John Gokongwei Jr. established Universal Corn Products Incorporated, a cornstarch plant in Manila. Since then, JG Summit Holdings Incorporated has been improving the Filipino way of life by pioneering breakthroughs, broadening its business portfolio, and staying at the forefront of the country's progress through its core businesses. Today, JG Summit Holdings Incorporated is one of the largest and most diverse conglomerates in the Philippines, with business interests spanning food manufacturing, air transportation, real estate and property development, petrochemicals, and banking. Universal Robina Corporation, or URC, is a leading Pan-Asian food and beverage company and a major player in the agro-industrial and commodity businesses in the Philippines. Its Jack and Jill snacks are the first ever Filipino-owned snack brands to be produced locally and sold widely throughout the country. URC created well-loved brands like Chippy, Max Candy, Payless Instant Noodles, Blend 45, and Great Taste, which represent simple pleasures of the Filipino way of life. URC's joint ventures with Nissin Food Products Company Limited of Japan and Hunt Wesson Incorporated of the US have made international products like Nissin's famous pre-flavored noodles, Hunt's pork and beans, and Hunt's tomato sauces readily available in the country. URC also introduced C2 to the Philippine market, the first locally manufactured, high-quality, ready-to-drink green tea-based beverage, which became a certified hit. URC has manufacturing facilities in strategic countries throughout Asia, making Jack and Jill snacks the first ever Filipino-owned snack brands to be produced and sold widely throughout the region. Chances are you'll find familiar Jack and Jill brands in neighborhood stores throughout Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and China. These URC products are also being enjoyed in other parts of the world, with exports to the Middle East, North America, Europe, Korea, Japan, and Australia. URC is also one of the biggest players in the Philippines agro-industrial segment. URC's Robina Agri Partners, or RAP, is involved in a wide range of agro-industrial businesses. URC is likewise a major player in the country's flour and sugar industries, with URC Flour Division and URC Sugar Division. Cebu Pacific Air is the country's leading low-cost carrier, which fulfills dreams of flight by providing unique, low-fare travel opportunities to domestic and overseas destinations. Cebu Pacific first took off in 1996. Now it operates a fleet of brand-new Airbus A320 and ATR 72-500 aircraft, the youngest fleet in the Philippines. In addition, Cebu Pacific's Airbus A321 Neo aircraft will start arriving in 2017. The airline operates from 4 hubs in the Philippines: Manila, Cebu, Davao, and Clark. Aside from flying domestic with all-inclusive low fares the whole year round, Cebu Pacific also reaches regional destinations. For the benefit of global Filipinos, Cebu Pacific announced that it will start long-haul services in the third quarter of 2013. With Cebu Pacific's trademark low fares, possible destinations such as the Middle East, Australia, and some parts of the US and Europe can be reached. 4 Airbus A330 aircraft, which will arrive from 2013 to 2014, will be used for these services. Robinson's Land Corporation, one of the Philippines' leading real estate companies, is involved in the development and operation of shopping malls and hotels, and is also one of the country's most reputable developers of mixed-use properties, office buildings, residential condominiums, as well as land and residential housing developments, including socialized housing projects located in key cities and other urban areas nationwide. Robinson's Galleria Complex is the country's first ever mixed-use facility that creatively combined a mall, hotels, offices, and condominium residences within one development. Following Galleria's footsteps is Robinson's Manila, located at the heart of the country's capital. The mall was recently renovated, making it the largest Robinson's Mall. To date, Robinson's Land Corporation has shopping malls, residential projects, office buildings, and housing developments throughout the country, plus hotels that include Summit Circle in Cebu, Holiday Inn Galleria Manila, Crown Plaza Galleria Manila, Summit Ridge in Tagaytay, and Go Hotels. JG Summit Petrochemical Corporation, or JGSPC, is the first integrated polyethylene and polypropylene plant in the Philippines, producing the Evoline brand of high-density polyethylene, linear low-density polyethylene, and polypropylene. The JGSPC plant, located in Barangay Simlong, Batangas, is built on a 100-hectare PEZA-accredited complex. The plant is highly integrated, having its own 50-megawatt power plant, a jetty for receiving raw materials, and a demineralized water treatment facility. All these make JGSPC a world-class manufacturer and supplier of raw materials for making plastics ranging from food packaging materials to large drums. JGSPC provides a solid building block for the country's economy and future, as it has created more jobs for Filipinos and saved dollars for the local industry. Robinson's Bank has become an attractive alternative in the banking industry, with its continuously expanding branch network nationwide. Robinson's Bank offers a broad range of deposit and loan products, trust investments, foreign exchange and securities to retail customers, suppliers, as well as individuals with small to medium-scale businesses. In 1992, the Gokongwei Brothers Foundation, or GBF, was established to help uplift the socio-economic condition of the country through the funding of educational projects. A significant endowment by the foundation to the Ateneo de Manila University led to the John Gokongwei School of Management, a regional center for management education. GBF has also aggressively donated facilities and scholarships and supported educational programs to help train our next generation of business and government leaders. In 2011, GBF gave a significant endowment to the De La Salle University, which led to the establishment of the DLSU Gokongwei College of Engineering. GBF's other major projects include a technical training center for skilled graduates in various engineering fields and a partnership with the Aklat Gabay Aruga tungo sa Pag-angat at Pag-asa Foundation to build 18 schoolhouses. JG Summit also has core investments in the Philippine Long Distance Company, or PLDT, and United Industrial Corporation of Singapore. Other related business interests of the JG Summit Group: Robinson's Retail Group, the second largest multi-format retailer in the country, operating for more than 30 years with more than 150 stores nationwide. Summit Media is the Philippines' leading magazine publisher, with Preview, FHM, Yes, and Cosmopolitan magazines on top of its list. JG Summit Holdings Incorporated stands firm in its commitment to make life better for Filipinos by striving for excellence in each of its business units. Whether in the food industry, air transportation, property development, banking, or petrochemicals, JG Summit Holdings stands strong as one of the cornerstones of the country's business industry. That is why, as it continues its commitment to lead, JG Summit Holdings upholds its vision of providing global service and competitiveness. Because every Filipino deserves the best that life has to offer. JG Summit Holdings Incorporated, making your life better.